Hey, what's up? I'm Bert Wagner. Today I'm going to be going over TSQL Tuesday number 97, Setting Learning Goals for 2018. If you're unfamiliar with TSQL Tuesday, it's basically a monthly vlogging party in the SQL community where everyone writes on the same writing prompt. My main learning goal for 2018 is going to be basically learning all the skills that I normally don't get to try out. So I'm a developer at my day job, and I usually don't get to really play around with DBA related tasks like backups and replication and availability groups, and these are all these things that I always hear about and I know are important to know about. I just have no background on them, so that's why I want to learn more about them. And it's not like I'm trying to be a DBA or anything like that. I just want to be able to get a better understanding of those subjects, because I think it'll help me architect solutions better, as a developer, rather than just not knowing anything about it at all and just being completely siloed. So the way I plan on learning these tasks, since I can't really do them during my day job, is to just blog about them. I found that blogging is really useful because it allows me to, learn a topic and then be able to know it well enough to be able to write about it, and more importantly, to be able to create demos for that topic. I feel like the demo creation is like a super crucial step, because if you're able to create a demo that shows off a feature or breaks something, I feel like inherently you know a little bit more about that topic than if you just were to read the Books Online article or anything else. So even if I can't have those real world scenarios where I have to go through a disaster recovery simulation, I can create a demo that kind of does that on my own, right? And yeah, I'm not going to have all the expertise that someone who does this every day, but as a developer, I'll have enough knowledge, enough background on those topics to just make me more educated when talking with my DBA, for example. So in terms of then how I'm going to actually act on this, blogging is really step one, kind of reading information, watching information on Pluralsight or wherever else in people's blogs, write down an article, make some demos, but then I'm really going to put it to action by presenting. So in 2017, I did a lot of presenting at SQL Saturdays and various conferences, but they were all on developer-related topics like JSON and SQL injection and SSRS reporting. Instead, I'm going to make a goal to give a presentation on a more DBA-related activity. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to do 500 level presentation on availability groups or something like that. There's no way I'd have the expertise for that. But I do think I could learn enough to be able to present a beginner level course, right? All that takes is knowing a little bit more than what the audience in front of you knows, right? You don't have to be an expert. And then the thing about presenting that's really great is afterwards, right, there's probably someone in the room smarter than me. Usually that's the case. I love getting questions that I don't know answers to, because that means I have something to follow up on, right? Those questions are from someone who has a different perspective on the topic as me, or maybe they do have real world experience that, right, I'm not getting because I'm not a DBA. But by asking those questions, I can then do the research and learn about the problem more in depth than I could just by reading books online. So that's it for me today. Thanks for watching my TSQL vlog, and I'll see you next time.